let's do an experiment as part of the bonus modules here on Twitter 10K. I know we talked a lot about affiliate marketing, and I had a lot of people ask how you generate leads for a Twitter account that sells agency service. So my friend Amit, who is the CEO at First Principles, gave me access to their account and said, run wild. So let's run wild. Let's set the timer for 30 minutes and let's see what we can do in 30 minutes to boost this account. So timer 30 minutes and go. So let me rewrite this in a way that follows the Twitter 10K process and actually hits scale your SaaS company by leveraging our expertise, networking, and capital. I would say generated over 10 million with SaaS. Would love to build your company. Software is eating the world. Let's start that. And then this should go somewhere else. It would be send us a message. Go arrow or finger pointing emoji. Engineering team behind 10 million in SaaS revenue. Let's build your SaaS. Software is eating the world. Good. Send us a message. Now, let's start with a pin tweet. So let me tell you what's going through my mind here because our time is ticking down. We're at 27 minutes left. I want to sell SaaS to a certain target market. I think my target market is going to be Twitter influencers with an audience that wants to monetize that audience via SaaS. I talk to influencers all the time. People over 10,000 followers on Twitter who are just doing okay. They have Gumroad, they have an email list, but they aren't making 1 million a month. Here's what they should do. One, identify a common problem. What are your students asking about? What's your course about? That's the problem. That. Two, create a software around that problem. Build a SaaS, work with a team who can do all the work for you. Three, pitch it to your audience and other affiliates. This will get you to 10K per month in under 30 days. Then 4, scale to the moon. You're now a SaaS founder. That's cool. Let's pin this one. Let's go over to the Alex Berman account and retweet this. Okay. Now we have that. Now what we should do is build a list of influencers, and then we're going to come up with SaaS ideas, and we're going to pitch it. That's what we're going to do for the rest of the 23 minutes. Let's go direct to all of these people. Let's do Twitter pods. So who do we know best? We know Money Twitter. So let's find someone like Oliver. We'll give him a follow. Look at who he's following, 959. And let's see who we can pitch. Microacquire already has a SaaS. Lawrence King, Amazon FBA. Okay. Yo, huge fan. Would love to build a SaaS for your community, maybe an analytics tool for FBA. So that's going to be our general thing. So we got Lawrence. Let's do, so JK Molina actually already owns Tweet Hunter, which we talked about. So he's good. High level sales systems. Let's follow him and we'll say the same thing. And I want to do it in public so that maybe we can get a retweet. Let's tweet at Mr. Rogwell. Hey, love what you're doing. Would love to build a SaaS for your community, maybe a CRM tool to optimize sales and stuff. Cool. That's 2. 20 minutes left. Go through. So you can notice I'm pitching 66,000 followers, 47,000 followers. These guys are no joke. Wiz of everything I think already has is SaaS. Do the do lab. I only want to pitch people where it's obvious what they're going to buy. So Taylor Welch, think he runs an agency, but I don't know. Let me just hit him up to follow Taylor Welch here. And I will say, Taylor, giant fan of you. Taylor would love to build a SaaS for your community, maybe a sales tracking tool. Let's talk. Lead gen is SaaS Wiz, so he already has some email marketing agency. So let's talk to this guy. Email marketing agency. Maybe he wants an email tool. Hey, Chase, huge fan of you, bro. Would love to build a SaaS for your community. Maybe an email analytics tool or something to optimize sends. Let's talk. Already getting some followers here. Toyin. That's great. Let's hit up Toyin. Yo, love the work you're doing in Nigeria. Love to build a SaaS. Maybe a tool for affiliate marketing or something like Gumroad. Let's talk. So notice what I'm doing. I'm just coming up with an idea. It sounds cool. Pitching it to an influencer, saying I'm a fan. Very similar to what we do actually in Cold Email University with cold emails. We've got 5. So let's do about 5 more. 16 minutes. You notice this isn't really taking that much time. Jose Rosado. Let's talk to Jose. He's a Twitter guy. But yo, love what you're doing. Maybe a Twitter analytics or marketing tool. Let's talk. You don't have to pitch everyone, and you don't have to pitch people unless the idea is solid. So like Nitty does Instagram. So let's do Nitty. Love what you're doing. We'd love to build a SaaS, maybe an Instagram growth tool. Let's talk. James Camp. James Camp has 2 exits, so he knows what's up. James, love what you're doing. Would love to build a SaaS for your community. Any ideas you've been kicking around? Let's talk. Cool. Cody actually does cash flowing companies. I like her. Cody, huge fan of what you're building. Would love to build a SaaS for your community. Maybe a deal finder or a tracking tool / software version of your course. And I actually think that's decent. I want to pitch that also to Nick Huber, Sweaty Startup. Nick, love the Sweaty Startup. Love to build a SaaS, maybe a deal finder or tracking tool software. Done. What do we at? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 10. So that's 10. So some of those are going to get back. And if not, we can always keep sending them. So what do we have? We have 11 minutes left. So let me get this. Next 24 hours only. Tell me your SaaS idea and I'll ballpark the price. RT and done. Let's go to analytics.twitter.com. And we'll see our top followers, Larry Wentz, 700 followings. Looks like, yo, Larry, thanks for the follow. Have you, everybody? Go ahead. In the final 4 minutes, we should engage with other people's tweets. That's something we haven't done yet. I love being commanded army. Once you start running a team and you get the incentives, line. We search, I need a SaaS platform that explains all of these SaaS platforms. You want to build it? Has anyone ever designed? Let's go, man. I need a SaaS to keep track of my SaaS, which is mostly made of SaaS. I need a SaaS designed by Nate that does exactly that. The Coach Chris, 8,000 followers. I need a review on this new SaaS idea. Would love to help. Send a DM. So getting more followers in. When I'm doing commenting, what I'm trying to do is add value without rephrasing the first tweet. Nobody wants to like or follow an account that just rephrases the first tweet over and over again. So you want to change it a little bit. You want to add some value, and you want to get people to look at who's the go-to person for SaaS cold email. Message me. I like doing Twitter as a single person, even if it's an agency. How to build backlinks. Dude, we need you build a SaaS. Okay, that's time. Now you see what you can do in 30 minutes on a new Twitter profile. You saw an idea of what we can do. And now as the followers and the likes and the retweets are dripping in, you'll see how it goes. Here's my homework. I recommend you do the same for your account. Set a timer for 30 minutes and do everything we talked about. Rebuild the account, send some tweets, reply to some comments, send some direct messages, and see if you can generate a meeting within 30 minutes. That's Twitter 10K. Because Toyano Matoso, who has 58,000 followers, got back within about 22 minutes. And so we've got our first interested lead off of that. And you can see in the messages that Larry has a need for SaaS. So Larry, if you remember, has 775,000 followers. And here he got back with a meeting request. So I sent him a link to Amit's calendar right here. So you can see that this was fairly successful. Now I want to talk about advertising because we missed that the first time. So let's set up the ads for this account.